Hey guys, I'm providing this video for you alongside the instructions, just in case they're not very clear and you get confused because we haven't done an activity like this yet. So I wanted to provide this video, sort of show you where to go and how to get started on this. So you've just read two literacy narratives, the Fern literacy narrative and the Zach literacy narrative. Both were past students of mine. Of course, those aren't their names. And again, they're not perfect essays by any means, but I do believe that they're two good, strong examples of what I'm kind of looking for when you write your own literacy narrative. And again, both essays are very different from one another. And that's why I chose those two, because they are different and not every literacy narrative is going to look the same. So anyway, this is what you'll be doing. So after you've read those essays, you're going to be working in small groups, assessing and evaluating the essay that I've assigned to you. Okay, so what you'll do is you're going to go to the left-hand side and click on Collaborations. And you will see that I've created the group for you already. And you're not going to see all of these, you'll only see one. You'll either see the Fern essay or the Zach, whichever I've assigned to you in your group. So what you're going to do then is you'll click on this, and it will take you to a live document, a live Google Doc, that each of you will be able to write on, okay? And your little name should pop up next to it so everyone knows who is writing what. And basically here what I want you to do, which I provided in the instructions as well, is I want you to respond to the essay. What are your thoughts? What are your suggestions for revision if this person wanted to rewrite their essay? Also, what I want you to do is I want you to use the rubric that I've provided, and I want you to score this essay as if you were the one to grade it. Point out their weaknesses, their strengths, things like this. What was the significance in there? Like, what was the significance of their essay? And basically, I want you guys will be doing this on the same document so you can see each other's feedback to this essay, or to whichever essay you're assigned. And you can definitely create a dialogue with your group. Maybe you disagree or agree with something they said or wrote about the essay and whatnot. You certainly don't have to create a dialogue. It's a little difficult, I know, on the live Google Doc. But again, I want you guys to see each other's feedback on the same essay. So there's that. So again, also keep in mind the questions provided in the Norton Field Guide under responses and revising. I've also provided them in the module here, getting response and revising. Keep those questions that the book gives you in mind when you're responding to the essay that you were assigned. Okay, so that's what you'll be doing for this activity. Again, any questions, email me, okay? Or go to the Q&A and maybe somebody can help you out there too, okay? All right, thanks guys.